Question number 89. In which of the following molecule or ion all the bonds lengths are not equal? First option is SF6. In this molecule, hybridization is sp3d2, and in sp3d2 all the bonds are symmetrical, all the bonds lengths are equal because the molecule is symmetrical. In second option, C2H4. In C2H4, all the bonds are not equal because carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-hydrogen single bond. So two type of bonds are present in this molecule. CH bond, it is smaller than carbon-carbon double bond because of small atomic size of hydrogen. So bond lengths are not equal. Option number 4, CH4, it has 4 CH bonds and bond lengths are equal because molecule is symmetrical. And option number 4, BF3, it has sp2 hybridization and bond lengths are equal. All BF bond lengths are equal. So answer of question number 89 is second. 90. Which is a polar molecule? Symmetrical molecules are non-polar, but unsymmetrical molecules are polar. First option is XeF4. In XeF4, xenon has 8 electrons in its valence shell and 4 fluorine atoms combines to form XeF4. In this molecule, 2 lone pair and 4 bond pairs are present. Therefore, hybridization is sp3d2. Shape of this molecule is square planar and molecule is symmetrical because 2 lone pairs which are placed on opposite direction repels bond pairs equally. So molecule is symmetrical. Second option, BF3, it is symmetrical molecule because it has sp2 hybridization and all side atoms are identical and there is no lone pair in valence shell of boron. Option number 3, I2Cl6, it is dimer of ICl3. In ICl3, structure is planar and it is non-polar. These two molecules of ICl3 combines through coordinate bond to form dimer, and in this formation of this molecule there is 2 lone pairs and 4 bond pairs surrounding iodine. Therefore hybridization is sp3d2, but the molecule is planar because both the iodine atoms surrounded by chlorine has planar geometry. Option number 4, ClF3. ClF3 is polar molecule. It is polar molecule because central atom is chlorine. It has 7 electrons in its valence shell. 3 fluorine atoms are bonded through chlorine. So it has 2 lone pair, and because of lone pair bond pair repulsion, molecule becomes unsymmetrical because of more distortion. So the answer of question number 90 is 4. Thank you.